Hey guys, so Happy New Year. We're in EDSA Shangri-La, staying here at the Horizon Club floor. So I'll quickly show you the Horizon Club room. Okay. So in here, you'll notice there's a huge wardrobe cabinet. This is just the wall. There's the safe and the drawers. There's their signature robes. There's about four slippers, which one is I'm wearing right now. It's a shoe toiletries. There is an extra pillow and blanket there. Right beside it is the bathroom. So there's a John Masters Organics lotion and hand wash. These are their toiletries, and you'll notice the toilet is modernized. I think there's a Yep, it's kind of wet in there. So there's the bathtub. There's a scale. There's a mirror. Okay, I forgot to show the card keys. It's kind of like it's wooden based. So trying to be more sustainable, less plastics. So in the room, you'll see a Nespresso machine. You have a mini barless electronic kettle in there. So, dried mangoes. Some Nespresso capsules. There's their signature tea, exclusive branding by Shangrila. There's coffee, of course, the condiment, the plates and cups. There's the refrigerator. I think there's some refreshments in there, some alcohol. There's a like a sofa with a pull-out drawer. There's the king size bed. So I've asked them to put some decors. Asked them for our anniversary. So there's lots of plugs in here. You can plug your gadgets. I think this one's wireless. So there's a huge TV over there. It's kind of loud. So they also given us products from Bake Shop. There's my son just busy playing with his laptop. There's another mirror. There's this nice hanger with brush for your shoes. They've also given this happy anniversary cake and some pastries from the bake shop. There's a nice lamp over there, standing lamp. A chair with ottoman, and of course there's the clock. And our view here, you'll see the Shangrila Mall in EDSA. It's dark, about 8 in the evening right now. So basically that's it for our room tour. For our first room tour in 2026. See you in the next video.